Good day, everybody. My name is Tubular. So this is another installation that we just finished. So this is an hybrid inverter, 3.5 kVA Yohaco hybrid inverter. This is 230 amps tubular battery, and these are protective circuits. We have these are knife changeover for gen slash NEPA and inverter, and this is the knife changeover that is there for their generator and NEPA. So this is an hybrid inverter. Show them the status. So the current input voltage is 177, the output voltage is 177. Can you see? On the hybrid inverter currently is receiving 20 amps, and I put it on solar parity, meaning that when the solar is generating more, it doesn't pick load from the electricity distribution company. This is the temperature of the whole system, and it's 25 degrees centigrade, so it's normal. The system is 36 degrees, and that's all. And load battery limits. When the battery is low, that's why force restart. The moment the voltage reach 27 volts, the system will start back by itself. That's the software. So this is the system. If you need something like this, you can easily call on us on +234 8038015711. If you are within Nigeria, call 08038015711. I remain Paul Akibusi. On YouTube is Dollar Paul. Thank you very much and stay blessed.